atimi akuma me amfa nye japade e de akoye wo body surgery chibitimi ashawini tu ni kobo ni ba wo ba ne che fofole wo ba ye de queens edi ne che wo ba wo begi mema ye di ne che wo ba be ma yi ne kwoti fi ne chemu a na ne kwoti ho ya fro abua ba
se meka ensema minti min prove ana enye no kre afobi ho. That's the word defamation. Ensem bi wo ho ma agrada ka fa ye ma me gift ho a e be difficult to prove. In the first place I say asofo any Gifty Empress ededa obi ni obi da edem ne eda and na when me improve beyond reasonable doubt at the court, you have a serious case at hand.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
For higher Xposed GH, FM Ben Bruce. Rebecca said Ben and then they have penalty. I meet Woodbridge, Udu free pipe. I make a free pipe down. Fine. Air conditioner, bomb brutal. Massa and silence so at the firm. And I'm the video neighbor. And then my first video, as Agrada, the beef woman, missing the whole world. Who probably a beef pa Agrada. Now Agrada need Gifty, whatever Empress, woman yasem. Asemi nyina no starting fee time Samidian fee Agrada kwa chair sika ekwa eburubuja. Hobson adoye Gifty ekunu so kwa kan bia afi x-ray Gifty ye dragging the film dey bia me say what a glass house I don't throw stones. I don't throw stones. Hobson one awama waya man comfort dey wo yire anim etwi fam bema say hu sani aka sani American asem na akosia say du baabi no na Agrada yesi bibi no kofio say Hobson fio say dey yesi Gifty dia Agrada so say na dey also on dey wa gazette na yempo tie nsam bi na ba beka say me digest nsam kakra yen kobra
wo yire edin ededen no ko fine me pa chow the no ko fine has been gazetted for me dear the Reverend Mrs. Siama aka no ko fine no ko sweet no ko tantalizer no ko pressure ebi ni ma twa ma o ya bua ma body ni ye ne obeye ye de obeye asia me ka se ni tia mude mutie me say Agrada TV me tie wo ye wo ba pa sambo no ko fine no ko tantalizer no ko alarm shake no ko pressure no ko hopsing go cry tire that be na wo wire wo hopsing wo wire ayi de be na aka na asem no ayi de be de ono ne wo mani mi enu no ana oba na ono ne wo abamu ana wa nhwe no ayi de be na oka no emu de wen wo wire. Do you have a wife? Quite got a cock, got meet you. Oh, my boy, hope say my boy, but say my boy, no go fine, my boy, no go fine. Hey, if I Jimmy, I didn't make Casa. Come on, to oh, free, what's not crowing with Jimmy? What's your boss? What's your master? Don't come and throw this and kwala challenge to me Agrada. Because me etia be gina TV no so. E be bo no ko fine biem. Be se me ye no ko pressure. Me ye no ko fine. Me ye no ko tantalizer. Hope saying the obey na ye. The obey no. Just do it for me. Do something for me to know. Hope say do something. You are a man. I don't know. Yet the crime na betsa unnim na bo me dia. Mema police at show my police match me up to now. And I don't know what are you going to do to me? Ubekume. Obsing, Ubekume. They say me Jalim put my reply. Ubekume. No go fine. No go fine. No go tantalizer. When Jimmy. Shani Jimmy be. What's here? What's that the whole radio station see you booming kume. Upon all the pointers I give you, you can't come out to explain yourself. You say one show back. Don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me.
I what the beef woman, the whole world, beef, software beef. One the Tr0ubIe for said, then beef for beef in your boy to me no. Oh, nim na kwa kangra that will make you wasiam one year and bet no. Hobson, I warn you, said don't do this because your boss don't now my say Hobson so kasa. But and then young Quanica coming your lawyer dear, but I try to make Delvica crap. Young some of the accusations are agrada and the abo Gifty, young Cobra.
What's me a kumame? I'm fine ye japade. And yakoya will body surgery. Chibi. Upeska ayauto, upeska ayauhene, upeska ayamotuom, upeska ayause, osiegu onu nyina pro. Ashaweni tu ni kobo ni ba woba ne che fofole woba ye de queens edi ne che woba begi mema ne edi ne che woba bema yi ne court free ne chemu a na ne court ho ya fro abuaba.
I why no me pacho where me personal view asem enko court nti me try say mebu but allegedly this is what is going to happen now. Young fan say a court in in my view, personal view, me pamocho. I think Gifty will have an upper hand over Agrada. Ubin Sasade, I met you. Yo, can be a funny defamation. Some make and some mean to me prove it and not any no cry. Afrobiho. That's the word defamation. I'm trying to explain it. Now, in some people want my Agrada can't fire Yamami Gifty one. A bit difficult to prove. In the first place, I'll say, I saw for any Gifty Empress added that. That would be very difficult to prove because Sabe, Obini that then when that. And I went to me and prove it beyond reasonable doubt at the quarter. You have a serious case at hand. That is serious defamation. Number two, I said the mame, who know who you know, allegedly, I'm Kagrada the kind. Okunu, this can quiet too. And the body is there to enhance it. And also a very difficult thing to prove. It will just kill now. Now, no make us near Hobson so kind near Hobson kind a criminal offense and yes civil. Criminal means okay and I say and Kagrada police station. Not a call reported Hobson Adoye for what? Threatening. Now one yes and West you okwa. Say because of the unity also Obasa. And nothing make us say a very difficult for Agrada to win the case if it really goes to court. Now on the surface, let's look at something. What I do with my body belongs to me. It does not belong to anybody. I okwa kwa ya wonkofobia omo warrior otimi ja ne yere sa ne yere ne nkofo enkoda. E yon private affair. Enti Ghana ya obi say unu obi koda. No warrior. Now, your friends and Nikunu, one reporter. It's not a crime. And because no bear man on the huni hot, men can't hope in a some that be patch up. Mamma for Manusi boy. May patch say, everyone more better young with Johnny in the say, performing in the dada. Because if you cannot bear man on the huni hot, and no, you're allowed. On another flip side, too, Agrada, no confuse, no go find a minute baby as Ogazate, but Ogazate. A ministry of records and answer him. Because me who baby are some with you. And you're saying you'll be a friend of folklore saying it means say, and yet it's a summer war. No confuse, no yenina near can, no confine, yenina yaka, and yet man to baby or be started yet. Because this Casa will occur in California, your friends in Jamestown and other places are. Or to me says here home, or boss say, no confine, no brighten. They say it all the time. It mean the baby Gifty and I get a say oh my gazette the word local fine. Because me sure say the origin of what the local fine. Local fine me say message me home. Maybe no obi sham hey Charlie, you are looking good oh I say oh this is local fine, local brighten. I'm saying it to myself. But to say you've gazetted the thing means it means it is your property, which will also be difficult to prove. Because before you said it, somebody has said it already for you to hear it. And it's the be a friend the folk songs, which is will be a name near yeah. It's both Gifty and Empress. I think you should go and find better job to do. But this accusation, counter accusation, and nonsensical. I have Xposed GHS20m Bruce. Subscribe, share, the 2 man now, so I can be Manuel.
GH, the best channel on all of YouTube.
Yes.